Under the Accounts drop-down and Purchases, we have a full Purchases dashboard where we can see the status of all bills that have not been paid as yet. The graph outlines when we are due to pay suppliers in the coming weeks and months, giving us a nice view to help keep on top of cash flow. Dragging the timeline along, we can clearly see in what months these payments are due to be made. To add a new bill, click the New drop-down where we have a number of options such as an individual bill, a bill that is repeated on a regular basis, a credit note or a purchase order. I'm going to show you how to add an individual bill. Type in your contact, enter the date and enter the due date. Adding the plus sign and a number afterwards will add a number of days onto your invoice date. If you have a purchase bill reference, this can be entered in here, and where you see this paper icon, you can attach a supporting document. You do not need to enter a figure into the total box in the top right hand corner of your purchase bill, as Xero will calculate this automatically for you. So all we need to do is enter some information onto the bill, enter a description, a quantity, a unit price, account code and tax rate, and that will allow us to approve the invoice. We can also use the item column here if we have set up inventory items for purchases that we make on a regular basis. Just to show you what this pulls through, a standard description, unit price, account code, and tax rate, making the completion of any purchase bills in Xero nice and easy. And these item codes can also be used on purchase orders. Once you are happy with your purchase bill, you will have a number of options here, and this is also dependent upon your user permissions. You may only have the option to save this bill as a draft, save and submit for approval. Or you may have the ability to approve this invoice, which is when it will be posted within Xero. When you have a number of bills awaiting payment, it can be difficult to keep track of your cash flow. So what we can do within Xero is select a number of invoices and schedule a payment date for these. Select the date that you are due to pay these invoices, and Xero will add the planned date to these. Xero will continue to build a schedule of planned payments so you can keep track of what invoices you are due to pay when. Continuing to build on these will help you to plan when you are going to make payments and keep track of your cash flow. Clicking All will show you all purchase bills awaiting payment, and clicking on the appropriate dates will show you only the invoices that you have scheduled to pay on that date.